July 14th, Saturday. I know I say this regularly, but I mean it. We had a great day today. We're gonna work up to a 1 rep max clean and jerk, or if you prefer the term, a heavy clean and jerk. Don't put the pressure on yourself for a 1 rep max if you don't need to. It's just whatever your 1 rep or whatever heavy is on this day, which means it depends upon how you slept the last few days, how your particular body felt from the last few days of programming. Did you take the rest day? Did you skip the rest day? So your 1 rep max is always a work in progress, or an undulating weight, I should say. So we're gonna establish a heavy clean and jerk, rest a little bit, then we're gonna do a 3-minute AMRAP, rest 5 minutes, and repeat that 3-minute AMRAP, and it's going to be a blast. For the 3-minute AMRAP, you're gonna load a bar with a 135 for the men, 95 pounds for the women. 3, 2, 1, go. As many rounds as possible in 5 minutes. 5 toes to bar, 4 ring dips, 3 clean and jerks. Obviously, I love the numbers, 5, 4, 3. And I've said this before for all the programming geeks or students out there, an AMRAP, 1 round of an AMRAP shouldn't be challenging. So no one's gonna look at 5 toes to bars and think that's outrageous. No one's gonna look at 4 ring dips and think that's not sustainable. 3 clean and jerks sounds quite appropriate. If 1 round was, 20 toes to bar, 15 clean and jerks, 20 toes to bar, 15 ring dips, 10 clean and jerks, AMRAP 5 minutes. The first round's miserable, you're lucky to get into the second round. That's not wrong if you did that very intentionally, but you wouldn't want to make an AMRAP like that frequently. It would be right, it would be okay if you did it intentionally and with purpose. But if you just thought the first round of an AMRAP had to be just a kick in the pants, that would be inappropriate. So the first round of an AMRAP, you're setting the trap. It doesn't look that bad. Speed's gonna be high, intensity's gonna be high, and it's the accumulation of rounds which adds a little bit of a punch. We're gonna rest 5 minutes and do it again. Now you know what you got in that first 3-minute AMRAP. You have an opportunity to try to tie or beat that score, and that will be a cool mental challenge for a lot of people. Scaled option, you're gonna work up to a clean and jerk. Doesn't necessarily have to be a 1 rep. I put the wording in there, a challenging clean and jerk, because I'm assuming that a scaled athlete is not as competent with the lifts as a veteran athlete, is still a student, is still learning, so technique needs to be a priority for all of us, but for a scaled athlete, even more so. So I don't want them to worry about the loading, I want them to worry about getting better at the lift. Then, instead of them doing 2 different AMRAPs, I just made it 1 5-minute AMRAP of 4 hanging knee raises, 4 ring dips or push-ups or hand release push-ups, whatever you need, and then 3 clean and jerks. I put at 95 pounds and 65 pounds. Because you want the movements and the rep ranges and the loadings, regardless of whether it's prescribed or scaled, to keep the athlete moving. That's the entire point. The accessory work, overhead carry, I'm thinking barbell, but you can use a dumbbell in each hand, a kettlebell in each hand. That would only make it harder. Mark out 100 feet. Gonna do that 3 times. You choose the load, go as heavy as you safely can, rest a little bit between each. And this workout should be a great day. Enjoy it, everybody. Rest day tomorrow. Take it. You deserve it.